Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last episodes I talked a lot about pivot tables, where we created some charts, we created the multiple pivot tables, we created some slicers which are actually filters to see the values for certain filtered criteria. But what if we don't have time to create a pivot table, but I just need a quick information because I need to deliver it quickly? What is the sum of turnover for banana? Well, I could write a sum function quickly here after filtering, but there is a way that you can already have it here, which is called subtotal, and you can have different subtotals within the range. So count, max, minimum, deviation, but what we need now is a simple sum, so the 9, and then highlight the range, Control Shift down, close the bracket and hit enter, and then you see now 27 million. And what happens if I filter on banana? Then it's automatically updated 2.450 million. Yeah, that is a quick insight on the subtotal function. Thank you for your attention. See you soon.